Hi everyone, my name is Bente and today I'm really excited to share some insights into the fascinating world of data analytics with you. If you're a potential employer or simply someone keen on understanding data-driven methodologies, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll delve into key aspects of data mining methodologies, demystify time series analysis, and explore the principles of data ethics and discuss how to communicate concerns about bias in predictive models. Let's see how long this video recording will take. Maybe I will upload it in 2 videos, just that you know, to look for the other video as well. So let's start with the first question. What does the cross-industry standard process for data mining methodology entail? And what does the data analyst do in each step? So the cross-industry standard process of data mining is a widely used methodology for data mining projects. It consists of 6 main phases. The first one is business understanding, second one, data understanding, third, data preparation, fourth, modeling, fifth, evaluation, and number 6, deployment. In each phase, there are specific tasks for a data analyst. So let me give you a short overview. Business understanding means to understand the business problem, goals, and constraints. It consists of following steps: working closely with stakeholders to define business objectives, identifying data mining goals and success criteria, and assessing the project scope, constraints, and resources. Number 2, data understanding. It means to collect initial data, explore its characteristics, and to identify potential issues. It consists of following steps: collecting and familiarizing yourself with available data, exploring and profiling the data to understand its structure and quality, and identifying missing or incomplete data as potential issues. Number 3, data preparation. It means to clean and transform the data to prepare it for modeling. It consists of the following steps: cleansing the data by handling missing values and outliers, transforming variables to create new features if needed, and to integrate and format data for modeling. Number 4 is modeling, means to build and validate a predictive or descriptive model. It consists of following steps: selecting appropriate modeling techniques based on the problem, splitting the data into training and testing sets, building, training, and evaluating models, and fine-tuning and optimizing models for better performances. Number 5, evaluation. It means to assess the model's performance and validate its effectiveness. It consists of the following steps: evaluating the model using appropriate metrics, validating the model's performance on an independent dataset, and iteratively refining the model or returning to earlier stages if necessary. The 6th is deployment. It means to implement the model into the production environment. It consists of following steps: developing a plan for deploying the model, working with IT and business stakeholders for integration, and monitoring and maintaining the model's performance in the production environment. So let's come to the second question. What needs to be done before you can forecast time series? In other words, what does time series analysis involve? So it involves collecting data over time, exploring and cleaning the data, understanding patterns by breaking it down into parts, like into its fundamental components, like trends or seasonality. You can use smoothing techniques to reduce the noise in the data and make sure the data is stable over time. You can do it through a stationary check. Identifying repeating patterns and overall trends, and choosing a suitable forecasting method, and adjusting the model's parameters, fitting and validating the models with historical data, using the model to predict future values, and Last but not least, evaluating and refining if necessary. So we come to the third question. What are the main principles of data ethics? And what could companies or organizations do to uphold these principles? So the main principles of data ethics are transparency, be open about how data is collected, used, and shared, provide clear privacy policies, and disclose data practices. Fairness. Treat individuals fairly and avoid biases in the data processing. Regularly assess and address biases in the algorithms and models. Privacy. Protect personal data and ensure secure handling. Implement strong data security measures and obtain consent. Integrity. Maintain accuracy and reliability in data. Implement quality control measures and adhere to ethical standards. And last but not least, data ownership. Recognize individuals' ownership of their data and allow data access, modification, and deletion by the individuals. So to uphold data ethics, companies should conduct regular employee trainings on ethical data practices. Second, establish committees to oversee ethical decisions. Third, integrate privacy considerations right into the product design so that it's there from the beginning. Communicate data practices transparently to users. Promote diversity in data teams to reduce biases. Sixth, collaborate with peers, researchers, and regulators for continuous improvement and shared best practices. Seventh, these actions contribute to building trust, ensuring accountability, and reducing risk associated with unethical data use, which is very important.